How to use the Audible app. The first thing that you need to do is sign in. You sign in using your Amazon account. Audible says you can listen to free or purchase titles in the app and don't need the Audible membership just to listen to free or purchase titles. Next, use the Home tab. Tap the search icon, and here you can search for the book you want. You can even search up podcasts. Then you can go to Discover. Select it to open its page details. From here, you can see whether it's available for you and choose the appropriate option. And there you go, we added this one to our library. Your library contains your audiobooks and podcasts. Audible currently provides filters for all not started, in progress, downloaded, and finished titles. And then start listening. Select the title from your library and press play. If you already started the book, Audible's mini player lets you resume playback without reopening the book. And then you can also download the book for audio listening. Once downloaded, you can listen without an internet connection. Audible recommends having a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough storage before downloading. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.